So this is the XiaoMi Mi 11. Looking at the box, you know they omitted something from the package. And I think you know what, judging by how thin the box is. Let's take a look at the outside of the box. So you can see here, it states the 108 megapixels AI super camera, Super AMOLED display, HDR10+, and sound by Harman Kardon. It's supposed to have great speakers, and also the display should be great, judging by the other reviews in the internet. Let's take a look. Okay, we have a box inside the box. We have the SIM-jector tool, manuals, and a TPU case. This should provide a temporary protection until I get another one. This is the phone itself. I'm gonna put this aside. Interesting. So there doesn't seem to be a USB cable included inside the box. Compared to other manufacturers like Apple and Samsung, they at least provide a USB cable. But Xiaomi didn't include one. I knew that would happen, so I went ahead and bought the 55-watt Xiaomi GaN charger as well from Fastech Lim. For those of you who do not know what GaN is, it stands for gallium nitride. According to Belkin, the most important thing that we need to know as consumers is that GaN generates less heat, which allows manufacturers to put components closer together, resulting in a much smaller charger while maintaining efficiency. According to the specs, this allows the XiaoMi Mi 11 to be charged from 0 to 100% in 45 minutes. Inside the GaN charger box, you'll get a USB Type A to Type C cable, some paperwork, and also the charger itself. I thought the charger is going to be Type C to Type C, but it seems that it's Type A to Type C. This is what you'll be getting inside the box. Just some manuals, the phone itself, and the TPU case.